Hello, my dear students. Hope all of you are doing well and maintaining good health. I am Dr Smrutirekha and I welcome you all to Etuson, Education for Better Tomorrow. It's a digital learning platform for Odia and English medium students. If you believe in quality education, then you are in the right platform. As in Etuson, we provide quality education which will definitely help you to build your career. Then what are you waiting for? Please download the eTuition app and enroll yourself so that you can avail all the facilities at your fingertips. So before starting today's class, let me remind you, your monthly exam for the month of September is going to be held from 8th of October. So please do prepare for that and participate in that so that you can see how much you have understood the concept. Okay children, so keep practicing and prepare for the exam. So let us begin today's class then. So today we are going to learn how to find out the square root by division method. So how to do it? So for that, let us consider a number 529 whose square root we have to find out. So what is step 1? Place a bar over every pair of digits starting from digit at 1's place. If the number of digits in it is odd, then the leftmost single digit too will have a bar. Thus we have 529, right? So you have 529. So you have to put the bar starting from its units place. So first you have to pair 9 and 2 and put a bar above it. Then 5 will remain as a single digit here. So that also you have to put a bar for 5 even if it is a single digit. Right? If it will be like you have number of digit will be even, so definitely you will have set of pairs. So above that you can put the bars. Correct? So now this is the step 1. What is next step? Find the largest number whose square is less than or equal to the number under the extreme left bar. So what is the number in the extreme left bar? It is 5. So now you have to check a number whose square is less than 5. So you can find out 2 square is equal to 4 is less than 5. Right? So take this number as the divisor and the quotient with the number under the extreme left bar as the dividend here will be equal to 5. Divide and get the remainder that will be equal to 1 in this case. So like this it is. So you have 5. So as 5 is more than 2 square and less than 3 square, right? So 4 is less than 5 whereas 9 is greater than 5. So you can take only 2 here. So we have taken 2. Okay. So now 2 is your divisor and also 2 is your quotient. 2 into 2 you have multiplied and the result you have put as 4. Then from the dividend you have subtracted as usual what you do in your division and your remainder is 1. So this is your step 2. Now step 3. Bring down the number under the next bar. So now you have remainder as 1. So what you have to do is you have to bring the remaining number which was 29 down, as a result of which your new dividend will be 129. Correct? So it looks like this, right? So you had your remainder was 1 and you have now took this 29 to to the down. Okay, so now 129 is your new dividend. Okay, so what is step 4 then? Double the quotient and enter it with a blank on its right. Okay, so what is your quotient here? Quotient is 2. Okay, double the quotient means it will be 2 into 2, that is 4. So that will be written just adjacent to your new dividend along with a blank, right? So 4 with a blank is written here. So what next? So here comes your step 5. Guess a largest possible digit to fill the blank, which will also become the new digit in the quotient, such that when the new divisor is multiplied to the new quotient, the product is less than or equal to the dividend. Okay, so let us understand this. So now you had a blank in adjacent to 4. So now we have selected this 3. Why we have selected this 3? Because whatever the number you have selected here, the same number will be written in the quotient also. And it will be multiplied with the number and the value should be less than or equal to your new dividend, which is 129 in our case. So as you can see, if we could have taken 42, that means 2 we could have placed, we had to multiply 2 in that case. So 42 into 2 would have been 84, which is of course less than 129. But you have to check the number closer to 129. Okay. So you will try with the next number. So that is 43. So 3 you have chosen. So 43 into 3 is equal to 129, which is equal to your new dividend. So 129 minus 129 becomes 0, as the remainder is 0. So you have got your final answer. So since the remainder is 0, your square root is now 529 square root is equal to 23. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. This will be more clear if we will solve some more problems and more examples. Correct, children? So now let us take some more examples to understand. Okay. Find the square root of 729 and 1296. So bit 1, you have 729. So first thing what we should do, we should pair it from the unit digit. Okay, so first 29 will be paired, 7 will be as it is, right? So let me erase it because there is no space above 79. So let us write it little below so that you will have proper place. Okay, so now you have 729, right? So you have to pair it like this, right? So now what you have to take? Now you have to choose a number in such a way that square of it is less than 7. Square of it is less than 7. 2 square is equal to 4. 3 square is equal to 9. So you can take what? 2. So you will take 2 here and the same you will write as quotient. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. And you find out the remainder, that is 3. Now you have to bring this 29 down. So this become your new dividend. What about the quotient? So double the quotient what you have obtained now, which is 4 with a blank. Now this blank has to be filled with a number such that the same number will be written here and the same number will be multiplied with the new divisor which you will obtain by placing the number at this place, right? So in this case, if I will put 7, you can check 7 into 7 is equal to 49, 9, 4, 7. So you are exactly getting 320. 29. So remember, whatever the number you are going to fill it here, same will be written in the quotient also, and same will be multiplied with the new divisor also. So 47 into 7 is equal to 329, and you are getting your remainder is equal to 0. So as the remainder is already equal to 0, no need to go further. So your square root of 729 is equal to 27. Correct, children? Now let us go to the second bit. Okay, so here you have number 1296. So let us pair from the last digit. So now you have 2 pair, right? So the same procedure, right? So you have to choose a number less than 12, square of a number less than 12. So you have 3 square equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16. So what you need to take? You will take 3 here. So I will take 3 here. 3 into 3 is 9. Okay, so you will get 3 as remainder. This 96 will come here down. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. Now you have to choose a number which when multiplied with this new number will get either 396 or less than 396. So let us try with 6. And if you multiply, you are getting exactly same number, that is 396, and same thing will be written here. As the remainder is again equal to 0, so you have now got your square root of the number 1296, that is equal to 66. Correct, children? Now let us take another example. Find the least number that must be subtracted from 5607 so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square. So let us find out square root of 5607 by division method. Okay, so 5607 you have paired it. Okay, so you have less than 56, you have what? You have 7. So you put 7 here. You have 49, 707. 7 into 2 is 14. So you have to choose a number which when multiplied by, so I have chosen 4 here. So 576. So the remainder is 131. Correct? So as you can see, the new remainder is less than your current divisor. So you cannot go further. So you have to stop here. So you can see that the number 5607 is not a perfect square. So to get the perfect square, you have to subtract the remainder which you have obtained here. So we can write down that 74 square is definitely less than 5607. Okay, so the number to be subtracted is equal to remainder, that is equal to 131. So the number will be 5607 minus 131, that is equal to 5476. Now what is the square root of it? So 5476 square root is nothing but equal to 74. Correct, children? Hope you have understood. Now let us go to another example. Find the greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. So now we know greatest 4-digit number is 4-digit number is what? 9999. Now we have to check whether it is a perfect square or not. So by division method, if you get remainder is equal to 0, then only it is a perfect square. If not, you have to subtract the remainder so that you can get a perfect square. Correct or not? Just now we have done a problem like that. So let us find out the square root of 9999 by division method. First you have to pair as usual, right? Then you take a number whose square is less than 99. So you took 9 here and you written 9 here. You get 81 and your remainder will be 18. You have to get this 99 below, and this is your new dividend, and your new divisor will be 9 into 2, that is 18 with a blank there. So now you have to select a number in such a way that after obtaining the new number along with the selected number by you, you have to multiply the same number, and that should be less than 1899. So I have taken 9 here and I have to write the same 9 here. So 189 into 9 is equal to 1701, and your answer is 9 minus 1, that is equal to 8, right? So 9 minus 0 is equal to 198, right? So now you see the number which you have got. Now if you multiply this 99 into 2, you get 198, but you cannot go further. So here, as you can see, your 99 square is less than 99 square is less than 9999. Correct? Less than 999 and 9. Correct? So the number is equal to 9999 minus 198, which is nothing but equal to 9801. So 9801 is the perfect square. And what is the square root of it? And the square root of 9801 is equal to 99. Correct? So let us do one more example. Find the least number that must be added to 1300 so as to get a perfect square. So first we have to check whether 1300 is a perfect square or not. So square root of 1300 by division method. Okay, so again I will pair it. So 1300, pair it. So anything less than 13, so I will take 3. You have got 9 here, then 400, then you have got 6 here. So 6, I'll take 6. 66 into 6, answer is 396, and your remainder is equal to 4. So as you can see, definitely 36 square is less than 1300, right? So now if you take the next number, that is 37 square, so 37 square will be greater than 1300, and it will be a perfect square. Correct? So what is 37 square? 37 square is equal to 1369. Okay, 1369. So what should be added to get 1369? So the number to be added. So the number to be added is equal to 1369 minus 1300, that is equal to 69. So now your least number is which is a perfect square is 1369. And what about its square root? So 1369 square root is equal to 37. Correct, children? Hope you have understood this problem. So with this I come to the end of this class. So keep practicing for your exam so that you can score good marks. Okay. So thank you, children, for your patient hearing. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Follow us in YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. And don't forget to download the Etuson app. And gentle reminder for your exam 2, which is going to happen on 8th of October. Keep practicing.